Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the track. Play the intro. Welcome back, and as you can see, the GSXR is already in the riding shape. I'm here with my beautiful girlfriend. Say hi. Nope. So she's ignoring me, but I have stuff. I have stuff to show you. As you might know, probably, if you didn't, click up there on the pop-up there, and you'll see that I crashed the bike 7 days ago. We are back to the track. The first wave is coming out to the track right now. I'm just leaving the tire warmers for a little bit longer. A couple of guys coming here as well. So I'm just going to show you the bike. Finally, what I've done to the bike during the winter. So let's just take a look. So welcome to the bike. This is GSXR 600 K5, so 2005 track bike. She's not ignoring me. She just didn't hear me. So let's just go through the bike from front to the back. So we have currently on the brand new Metzeler TD Slicks in front, 120/70 or 17, and we have 180/60 in the back, Metzeler TD Slicks as well. So we have tire warmers on. So let's just start from the front. We have R1 brake calipers, which I installed during the winter, with Carbon-Ceramic brake pads in the R1 calipers. Those calipers are overhauled. We have brake ducts for cooling the brakes. We have GSXR 750 brake discs, which are actually wider in diameter, so they fit with 2004 R1 brake caliper. So it's easier to fit. Otherwise, you have to cut the brake caliper right here, like 5 mil, to get the caliper closer to the fork to get it aligned with stock GSXR 600 2005 brake discs. So these are a little bit wider, so they fit better. We have front axle slider, which is already used, as you can see, so it did its job. So I'm really glad I put this on during the winter. We have front forks, which are pretty much stock, but we have Ohlins. We have Ohlins springs inside. We have steel braided brake lines, two line setup. So you can see in the back we have 2 line setup, one to the right, one to the left. So that's the front of the bike. So we have Motoforza racing fairing, which is consisting from 3 different parts. So we have front fender, upper part, lower part, and the back one. We have a windshield. Now it's not really double bubble, but it's, let's say, racing windshield. We have a really nice setup on the right hand side. So we have M-style brake lever guard. We have RCS17 Brembo Racing master brake cylinder. We have Domino grips on both sides. We have Domino quick action throttle. We have Domino universal kill switch. We have BP tuning bar setup, so the clip-on setup, let's say. We have Brembo reservoir up top. On the left hand side we have M-style clutch lever, TWM remote brake lever adjuster, so you can see it's getting the brake lever closer and further away from the throttle. We have gear indicator and gear shift light. We have racing switches and Domino grip on left hand side. Then we have BITUBO. Steering damper. Then we have racing stickers, quick action system for the fuel cap. We have racing seat. We have safety lug wiring on both sides with titanium bolts. We have SAMCO hoses for the cooling. We have M-style frame slider on right hand side and PP tuning slider on left hand side. We have quick access cap for the oil. We have PP tuning adjustable rear set with the M-style packs. We have Dominator slip-on or screw-on in case of GSXR 600. We have axle slider in the back, stock setup for the brakes, and we have under here Memjet module. We have Quickshifter on left hand side with also adjustable foot packs and PP tuning the frame sliders. We have also the carbon fiber covers for the clutch and stator and DID chain and rectifier on different places. So that's pretty much it. So there is a lot of stuff done to the bike. As you can see, it's since it was crashed, it's a little bit rebuilt, but it looks fine. It looks fine to me. You wouldn't say if I didn't tell you. So I guess it came up pretty nicely. So I'll just wait for tires to get warm, and in like 20 minutes I'm gonna be on the track. So keep your fingers crossed that it will, I will not crash again, and see you on the track then. See ya.